if you want to fix NFC issues on your Android device, so first of all, let's check whether our NFC is enabled. Open up your settings, open up your connections tab. Now scroll down to your NFC contactless payment tab and make sure that the switch is turned on. If it's not, simply turn it on, restart your device to apply changes, and that's it. When you're tapping your phone and your correct spot on the NFC tag or terminal, right, make sure that you're doing it right, because if the location is unclear, try placing different parts of the phone on it. If you are using a thick or metal case, try removing it and testing the NFC again. If your phone has an NFC in the app section, because mine doesn't. However, if yours has one, you can try to find your NFC services there and clear the cache. All right, now let's proceed with the NFC and contactless payment. So open up your contactless payment, and here make sure to turn off your pay with currently open app option, because sometimes it may not work correctly because of this option, right? Also, if you're using NFC for contactless payment, we can try changing the default app. So press others, choose where you wanna use it, right? Or simply try to reset it. Usually it's a Google Pay for all Android phones. So you can select the app that you use most for payments. And if nothing else works, we can try to reset our network settings. So go back, find your general management tab. Here find your reset option, and here choose your reset network settings. Confirm your choice by pressing reset settings. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Do this, confirm your choice by pressing reset, and you'll see a message that network setting has been reset. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.